what we call the city tap. And then
Okay.
if you pull it back here, you can tell the sewer line is going on a downward pitch.
Okay.
And then back here, you can tell, like, right there is where it ties into the city.
Mm-hmm.
That's higher than this. So
Got
right
it.
here, everything is
Backing
pooling
up.
and basically making a pool right there.
Yeah.
Everything will collect their toilet paper, feces, and then back everything up.
Okay.
So that's where,
So our common line out of the building,
yeah,
where it goes to the city line, has this back pitch, and that needs to be fixed so that there's a more even flow
yeah, it
from the
should,
building into the city line.
it should go down on a,
Should definitely go down.
a slight angle.
Okay.
If I remember my code right, for every foot we gotta pitch it down an eighth of an inch so
Okay.
that the water then pushes out all the solids. If it has too much pitch or it's flat, then the water then outruns the solids.
Okay. Oh, I understand.